This is TK Pryor with Master Wealth Builders LLC, and today I just want to provide 3 simple steps that allows you to gain over $1 million in your universal life insurance policy over the course of your lifetime. So step 1 is to get with a licensed insurance agent like myself and establish a policy. Step 2, you just want to contribute the maximum amount every single year. So there's a MEC limit in every single policy, and you want to take whatever extra money you have and add to your policy every single year. The more you put in, the more beneficial it is. And then the earlier you start, the more time works in your favor. Now, if you start later, it still can work in your favor, but you have to be more aggressive with the amount of money you put into your policy. A lot of people don't realize that investment into a life insurance policy is actually more beneficial than on-market products, because in life insurance, whatever money you invest, when the market goes down, your account doesn't go down. It stays level. So you have the opportunity to make strong, aggressive investments without the potential loss of negative performance. Your principal always stays protected. So that leads me into step 3. You want to leverage your entire family so that the earning potential within your family increases. I have a policy on my daughter, a policy on my son, policy on myself, have a policy on your wife, so that it multiplies the factor of growth. And I also included all of my policies into my family trust, which means the beneficiary of my policies is the trust. What I did was established a trustee, and the trustee's instructions is to take some of the money from the trust and basically get new policies for each future generation. That's how you ensure that your trust continues to grow and that your family income continues to increase. Now, let me show you a simple example. So this is my son's policy. Notice that it's $100 a month. If you see at the top there, $100 a month, $250 face value. But when my son turns 72, he will have accumulated 1.29, or just over $1 million in cash value. Accumulated cash value is just over $1 million, and the death benefit is now just over $1 million, 1.1. So this is a simple way to get to that level to secure your retirement, because guess what? He can borrow against the cash value. He can use that loan, which is usually somewhere in the 5% range, to do anything he wants to do. Now, what if you say, I don't want to wait till I'm 72? Well, that's why I said contribute the MEC limit every single year, so that speeds up the $1 million growth. You don't have to wait till you're 72 if you contribute the MEC limit every single year. Maybe you get it in half the time. The more you contribute, the faster the policy grows and the more it works in your favor. So please take the time to get with a licensed insurance agent like myself. Use the link below in order to schedule a consultation and set your family up with this type of growth. Total protection, total ability to win, because you also have things like disability rider that you can add to your policy, where if you get in a car accident, you can apply for disability and recover with income. And that comes from your life insurance policy. So who would you rather borrow from? Would you rather borrow from your local bank, or would you rather take a loan out against your family's life insurance policy? It's a no-brainer. It's what the 1%ers have always done for the past 200 years. And it's just a matter of getting the word out so that everyone else can do the same thing. I'm here to help you establish, here to help you grow, here to help you protect. Because as I said, you're going to win when you have an off-market index product that doesn't take losses. Your principal is protected, you're allowed to grow, and you can grow as fast or as slow as you like. This policy, as I showed you with my son, is only $100 a month. And if I only paid the minimum, he would get to $1 million at 72. But I plan to aggressively contribute the MEC limit every year so that that 72 is cut and he'll get there way sooner. So let's help who we can help and reach who we can reach. Hopefully this video sinks in, and if it gets to you to the point where you want to schedule, I'm here.